Details tonight about a deadly motorcycle crash in Omaha. The victim, Jeffrey Vossler, was 30.
Jackie Ochoa takes us to the scene with new information from police and witnesses.
It wasn't an easy scene to take in.
I didn't even know what it was, but after seeing this motorcycle, I was just like, man, dude.
The motorcycle and its owner, 30-year-old Jeffrey Vossler, lying underneath this truck.
Mistakes were made.
There was nothing police or paramedics could do.
This could have been me. This definitely could have been me.
The crash happened at about 2 Wednesday afternoon. This is Grover Street, just off of Interstate 80 and the 60th Street exit. Witnesses driving east on Grover saw the crash. One person telling me he saw Vossler speeding, passing him and another car in the turn lane. Others say they also saw Vossler minutes before the crash.
And I told my partner here, I said, that's the same guy who was just flying by here, because I recognized the helmet right away.
Mike Egbert works with the truck driver at Heartland Expect the Best Tires and Treads. Omaha police tell us he is Joseph Grun. Egbert spoke to Grun moments after the crash.
And he said he didn't even see him. I said he had no idea. He said he saw the car, didn't even see the motorcycle at all.
Once the truck was moved, we could see the truck's drive shaft. This is the part of the truck that makes it go, makes it turn. Fellow truckers say only a real forceful impact could dismantle it like this. An impact that has left Grun and others watching nearby shaken by what they've seen.